Hello, this is Sheetal. Today's remedy is super easy. It only takes 3 ingredients and is wonderful for all skin types, particularly to deep clean pores. If blackheads and whiteheads tend to be an issue, this is a wonderfully skin balancing and pore cleansing home remedy. It's super quick and should be used, I want to say, about once a week or so as a supplement to your ideal daily skincare routine. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, let me take a moment to tell you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and share your comments with me below. Okay, let's get started. So first, about half a teaspoonful of olive oil. Number 2 is vitamin E oil, about 8 drops, no more than that. And the last ingredient is castor oil, R&D pale, for its anti-inflammatory and pore cleansing properties. It's very highly respected in Ayurveda for not only increasing the nourishment, glow, clarity to your skin, but also for having anti-aging properties. So 10 drops of this. So step number 2 is to mix everything together. I get a question asked very often, and that is whether you can make a home remedy and store it in the fridge for future use. And my answer to that is no. Fresh ingredients are totally vibrant, they are vital, and they lose their enzymatic action over time. But if something just takes oils like this remedy, then you can make a little bit extra. I think that should be fine. Alright, my hair is tied back, and now I'm going to use a wet paper towel to clean my skin. And you should too, especially to remove any makeup that you might have on. And for any home remedy, including this one, I want to say you should use it on your face and also on your neck. Of course, you can use it on other parts of your body like your back if blackheads, etc. tends to be an issue there. So now, nothing fancy, we're just going to use our fingertips and kind of apply this oil all over the skin like that. By the way, this is a wonderful makeup remover also. If you have some eye makeup on, this remedy can do a wonderful job of removing any eye makeup. You just have to massage it in. And of course, if you're using it as a makeup remover, eye makeup remover, then you have to make sure that you do not get this in your eyes. Alright then, the remedy is on my skin, and now just using my fingertips, I'm going to massage my skin like this for 3 to 5 minutes, upward circular strokes. There is no need to use too much pressure, really that's not a good idea. Be gentle, be thorough, and massage the skin. Okay, so this massage makes sure that the ingredients in this home remedy travel into my skin, and they're going to do their deep cleaning action anyway. So you can expect that your skin will look cleaner, more glowing, youthful, nourished, of course, and blackheads and whiteheads are going to be much minimized in appearance. Okay, so once you're done massaging this in, you're going to take your wet paper towel again and wipe off your skin, or just wash it with your favorite Apsara cleanser, then follow it up with your Apsara toner, serum and lotion. So this is how simple it was. As I said in the beginning, you can just do it once a week. That should be more than plenty. And having said that, I'm going to wrap up by saying I hope you love this remedy, and will tell me in comments below your thoughts, and take a moment to visit us at apsaraskincare.com and go natural. It is good karma.